Now, in last class we have learned what are the different shapes that we can use to draw a fish. We have learned a three-line poem called haiku, Japanese three-line poem. What is haiku? A three-line Japanese poem is called haiku. You can use different shapes to draw a fish. Correct? Circle, a square, a triangle. To draw a fish, we have we have also learned that we can see fish designed in different places like in painting, in dress, on clothes, on some utensils, okay, crockeries. And we have learned which is name of the smallest fish, which is the biggest fish, which is the smallest fish. Hana? Okay. And we have also learned what is a school of a fish? School of a fish. School of fish means, who will tell me? School of fish. Okay, Deshna. Yes, Deshna. School of fish means?
Group of fish.
Group of fish. Very good. Group of fish. When fish, they move together, they come together, it's called, the group of fish is called school of fish. Okay? Now we have learned that each fish, not each fish, fish and mammals. What is the difference between fish and mammal? Fish, they lay egg, and mammals, they give birth to young ones. And example of mammal is whale, whale shark, and fish. Okay, so what is the difference in their tail? We have saw the difference between the tail. Both the fish and the mammal fish, that is the whale fish, dolphin fish, उनकी दोनों की fish की tail different होती है. This is a normal fish. What is the difference? What is the difference between the tail of two? Who will tell me? Yes, Nishchay.
Ma'am, tail has small and another fish tail has big.
यही बताया था मैंने लास्ट क्लास में. Anything else? Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am,
कृष्णा, आपने एक बार आंसर दे दिया बेटा, और दूसरों को भी चांस देना है ना? सबको एक एक बार चांस मिलेगा.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Pardon? फिर से बोलो.
What, ma'am?
फिर से बोलो.
Can you repeat the question?
Question is, what is the difference between the tail of the two?
The tail of two.
Do you want link? EVS में बेटा, this is maths class. Beta, new timetable I uploaded yesterday. Beta, all the students are there in the maths class. Join maths class. मैं आपको maths class का link भेजती हूँ. Yes, tell me what is the difference? Samiksha?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बताओ difference क्या है? Okay,
the tail of two.
कौन बताएगा डिफरेंस मुझे? लास्ट क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था डिफरेंस.
Ma'am, can I tell?
हाँ समीक्षा बोलो, आप ही अनम्यूट हो.
Ma'am, the big one fish.
नहीं, ठीक है. यश, मौली. हाँ मौली.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
इतने देर से मैं क्वेश्चन ही बोल रही हूँ कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टेल ऑफ द टू फिश. ठीक है शौर्य.
मैम कहने से
हाँ.
हिंदी. मैम स्मॉल फिश की टेल सीधी है और बिग फिश की टेल कर्व्ड है.
ठीक है. वेरी मच करेक्ट. I'm again repeating. The tail of the fish, it is horizontal to its body. Fish की body ये है और इसकी tail is horizontal, it is straight to its body. It is horizontal. ठीक है. मैंने आपको पीपीटी भी दिखाई थी. This is horizontal to its body. This is vertical to its body. ठीक है. उसके बॉडी के स्ट्रेट में है. This small fish की tail body fish की बॉडी के स्ट्रेट में है बेटा. It is vertical. और ये कैसी है? ये फिश की बॉडी है and it is horizontal. ठीक है. This is the difference. That's why the small fishes, they move side by side. वो कैसे मूव करते हैं? साइड बाय साइड मूव करते हैं. And how dolphin moves? They moves up and down because of the tail. उनकी टेल कैसी है? हॉरिजॉन्टल. और इनकी टेल कैसी है? वर्टिकल. वर्टिकल है इसलिए वो साइड बाय साइड मूव करते हैं. एंड इनकी टेल, दे हैव हॉरिजॉन्टल टेल. That's why they move up and down, up and down. What is a school of a fish? School of a fish means group of fish. Okay. Why fishes they move in group? Why fishes, small fishes, they move in group? Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, for their safety.
For their safety, so that they themselves protect themselves from big fishes, ताकि big fish उन्हें खा ना जाए. That's why they always move in group. And what else they do? वो ग्रुप में तो मूव करते हैं. और क्या करते हैं? एक और चीज मैंने बताई थी. What else they do to protect themselves from big fish? Yes, Bhavya.
मैम वो उल्लू बनाते हैं.
क्या बनाते हैं?
उल्लू.
उल्लू बनाते हैं.
यस मैम, उल्लू बनाते हैं. मैम आपने ही बताया था.
I said they engulf water. वो पानी पीते हैं. बेटा ऐसे don't use means fishes. First thing they move in group. What is the group called? School of fish, to protect themselves from big fish. Second thing, they engulf water and they puff up in size. वो size में बड़े हो जाते हैं. You can see here in the image. पहले थोड़ा सा पानी पिया, फिर और इससे क्या हुआ? ये small fish थी, but अब उसने इतना पानी पी लिया. Now the size of the fishes has increased. Now ये छोटी fish दिख रही है क्या? No, it looks like a big fish. Now big fish will not attack on the small fish. So these are the two things they do for their safety. Correct? This all we have learned in last class. So अभी तक हमने whatever we have done is just the revision, recall what we have done in previous class. Now आज हम पढ़ेंगे about sea and about the fisherman. अभी नहीं लिखना है कुछ भी कॉपी में. I will tell you when to write. Yes, Kashmi.
मैम मैं पूछी थी इसको लिखना है क्या जब भी आप लोग को लिखवा रहे थे सबको?
नहीं. Next is this we have learned fish tail. Next is a school of fish. This also we have learned. Now next topic given in your book is fishermen in their boat. So in last class I asked you, have you ever seen a sea? You might have seen in movie, in Cartoon Network. अगर आपने रियल में नहीं देखा होगा तो आपने मूवीज या कार्टून में भी ऑब्वियसली आपने देखा ही होगा. So how the waves are in the sea? When the day is normal, when the day is sunny, when the weather is good, the waves are normal. So normal waves are mostly under 10 feet. उनकी हाइट कितनी होती है, वो कितने ऊंचा उठते हैं, they rise up to below 10 feet. ठीक है. But when there is tsunami, what is tsunami? What is tsunami? What is tsunami? बेटा जल्दी. Yes, Shaurya.
मैम लाइक तूफान.
Tsunami means तूफान.
Yes, मैम.
मैंने यही बताया लास्ट क्लास में. यस कीर्ति.
Ma'am, tsunami is one disaster, natural disaster.
Tsunami is one type of disaster. कैसे, how it occurs? कैसे होता है tsunami? कैसे आता है? Yes, Kavya want to tell answer. Tsunami कैसे आता है? Yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, I don't know that.
हाँ. So you raise hand to tell.
Yes, ma'am.
You raise hand. You want? Do you have any doubt or anything? You want to say anything?
Yes, ma'am. I have to say that ma'am, you asked what is tsunami?
Yes. So what is tsunami?
Natural disaster.
Tsunami is a natural disaster. Okay. How it occurs? You don't know. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Let me ask from. ठीक है. Bhavya is dancing to tell the answer. हाँ Bhavya.
मैम जब सुनामी आती है तब जो वेव्स रहती है ना वो 35 फीट से भी ऊपर हो जाती है.
हाँ, बट सुनामी कैसे आती है वही क्वेश्चन है.
मैम जब हैवी रेनफॉल होती है तब.
हैवी रेनफॉल होता है तब सुनामी आता है. फिर ओके, फिर फ्लड कब आता है? फ्लड मीन्स बाढ़. आई नो कि जब हैवी रेनफॉल होता है तब फ्लड आती है. ओके निश्चय. हाँ निश्चय बोलो.
मेरा भी आंसर हैवी रेनी था.
लास्ट क्लास में मतलब किसी ने भी ध्यान नहीं दिया क्लास में. मैंने यही बताया था तनिष्का. डिड आई टोल्ड द सेम कि हैवी रेनफॉल के कारण सुनामी आती है? व्हाट आई टोल्ड? मैंने क्या बताया था? यस.
I didn't remember.
You didn't remember. Okay. Is there anyone who remember what I told in last class? How tsunami occur? कैसे आती है tsunami? समीक्षा, यस समीक्षा, ठीक है मैं फिर से
Ma'am,
हाँ
8 second. It occurs due to the glacier, melting the glacier.
सुनामी,
Yes. Ma'am, tsunami.
नहीं, सुनामी occurs due to earthquake under the sea. अगर समुद्र के नीचे, सी के नीचे earthquake आता है या फिर volcanic eruption होता है, okay, then tsunami occurs. And what happens when tsunami occurs? The waves, they rise up to 30 feet or more than 30 feet. You can see here in the image, you can see here in the picture, what is the height of the wave? Can you imagine how the waves are rising? कितनी ऊंची हो सकती है? Can you imagine? 35. Nishchay is saying 35. 35. The waves, they can rise up to more than 35 feet, up to 35 feet or more than 35 feet. यहाँ पे आप यहाँ पे देखो in the picture, building के ऊंची ऊंची, building से भी ऊंची है ये waves. Okay. Now there is one question given in your book. Let's solve that question. So the fishermen, fishermen, what they do? Fishermen का क्या काम है? They catch the fish. So they go on their boat to catch the fish in sea. Okay. So in the image, imagine that there are fishermen in their boat going up and down with the waves. They start their trip when it is still dark. जब dark रहता है तब भी they go to catch the fish. Some go on a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. कुछ fishermen, there are many different types of boat, but few fishermen, they go on a simple boat. That boat, the name of the boat is log boat. What is a log boat? Log boat means the logs of wood, लकड़ियों का, the trunk of the tree, they are tied together. These are the trunk of the tree, they are tied together, and this is called a log of boat. ठीक है? You can see in the picture also. If the sea is rough with very high tides and a strong wind, then the fishermen obviously they will face difficulty to move. अगर बहुत ज्यादा हवा चल रही है तो वो क्या आगे मूव कर पाएंगे? No, they will find the difficulty. So these log boats do not go very far. वो ज्यादा दूर तक नहीं जा सकती because अगर ज्यादा हवा चलेगी then they will face difficulty. So and उनकी speed भी इतनी नहीं रहती है कि वो बहुत दूर तक travel कर सके. So let's see if the wind is helpful. अगर wind उनके direction में है, जिस direction में boat जा रही है, then wind will help them to go in the direction, then they can travel. But if the wind is not in the direction in which they are going, then they will face difficulty to move. So they travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Okay, so write down this in your copy. They travel, write down this in your copy. The fishermen, if they use log boat, they can travel 4 kilometers in 1 hour. मतलब 1 घंटे में कितना ट्रेवल कर सकते हैं? 4 kilometers तक they can travel. Now question is, first question given in your book is, how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? अगर उन्हें 10 kilometers travel करना है, if they want to travel 10 kilometers, how much time will they require? How long will they take? So distance is given in the question. distance is given 10 kilometer. Speed is given 4 kilometer per hour. So, and what is the question? You have to calculate time. You have to calculate time. You have to find this. So, do you know what is the formula to calculate time? Yes, Tanishka want to tell. Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, the answer is
Ah,
2 hour 30 minutes.
very good. You have calculated. Which formula you have used to calculate time?
Ma'am, if 1 hour they can do 4 kilometers, so 2 hour they can do 8 kilometers.
Yes.
So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So
Achha.
2.30.
Okay, so this is a very long process. There is one formula. Let's see what is the formula to calculate time. Time is equals to distance upon speed. This is formula to calculate. This is the formula to calculate time. Okay, now we have to calculate time. Distance is given. How much distance is given? 10 kilometers. Upon how much speed is given? 4 kilometer per hour. Okay. So if we divide this kilometer and kilometer will cancel out. वो cancel हो जाएंगे because the units are same. Kilometer and kilometer will cancel out. 10 divided by 4. You can do in the rough side. 4 2s are 8 minus 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay. Now 2 is divisible by 4. No. So we will put a decimal here. When we will put a decimal, we can add a 0 in the number that is left here. Okay. So now it is 20. So 4 5s are 20. Now we left with remainder 0. So your answer is 2.5 hour. That is 0.5 hour means 30 minutes. Okay? So 2 hour 30 minutes. Okay? This is the answer. Write down this in your copy. Is not visible. दिख नहीं रहा है क्या? Yes, Bhavya.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम थोड़ा सा पास लाओ ना कैमरे को, थोड़ा सा नहीं दिख रहा अच्छे से.
नहीं दिख रहा. Okay. Okay. Now it is visible. Okay, lower down your hand. अगर if you have raised hand to if your problem is same, अगर board visible नहीं है इसलिए hand raise किया था क्या सभी ने? Lower down your hand now. Yes, Shaurya. हाँ शौर्य बोलो. Yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, I have done.
You want to tell the answer? ठीक है, अभी हमने answer.
No, I have done.
Yes.
मैम आपने जो लास्ट
I
वाला
have done.
बताया था मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया मैम, वापस समझाओ ना.
This one 10 divided by 4. Yeah, ठीक है मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ. Okay. So here we know distance is 10 kilometer. This is given in question. Okay. And speed is 4 kilometer per hour. This is also given in question. Okay. A boat travels 4 kilometer in 1 hour. This is the speed of a boat. Now in question it is asked that how long will it take to travel 10 kilometer. So we need to find time. Okay, so for time there is formula, time is equals to distance upon speed. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस हमें दिया है 10 किलोमीटर, हमने सिर्फ वैल्यू, जो वैल्यू हमें दी है वो उसने फॉर्मूला में रखा है 10 किलोमीटर एंड स्पीड इज 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ हियर किलोमीटर किलोमीटर बोथ द यूनिट आर सेम, सो इट विल कैंसल आउट, वो कैंसल हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो हमारे पास क्या बचा, सिर्फ आर बचा. तो मतलब आपका आंसर आर में निकलेगा. ऑब्वियसली वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट टाइम, तो आर में ही आना चाहिए ना. हमने यहाँ पे अब डिवीजन कैसे किया, लेट्स सी हाउ वी हैव डन डिवीजन. वी हैव टू डिवाइड 10 बाय 4, बट 10 के टेबल में 4 नहीं आता. सो फर्स्ट वी विल टेक 4 2s are 8. The closest number to 10 is 8. 10 minus 8 we left with 2. ठीक है, now 2 is smaller than 4, तो वो डिवाइड होगा क्या, नहीं होगा. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी विल टेक अ डेसिमल. डेसिमल मींस पॉइंट, ये डेसिमल लेंगे हम. अगर हमने यहाँ पे डेसिमल लगा दिया तो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी कैन टेक अ जीरो हियर. इफ यू विल ऐड डेसिमल इन द क्वेश्चन, यू कैन ऐड जीरो इन द नंबर. ठीक है, ये रूल है कि अगर आपको यहाँ पे जीरो चाहिए, अगर आपको डिवीजन फर्दर आगे कंटिन्यू करना है, तो यू कैन पुट अ डेसिमल हियर. ठीक है, डेसिमल लेंगे तो हम जीरो यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं ना. 20 आता है 4 के टेबल में, 4 5s are 20. We left with remainder 0. So इसलिए हमारा आंसर क्या आया, 2.5 R. 2.5 R. ठीक है, सो नाउ यहाँ पे 30 मिनट्स कैसे आ गए, 0.5 को हमने 30 कैसे लिख दिया. ओके, सो 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. करेक्ट. हाफ आवर कितना होगा, हाफ आवर को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 0.5. कैसे लिख सकते हैं, यू कैन डिवाइड हियर 2 को 1 को 2 से डिवाइड करके देखो. 1 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो इज इट डिविजिबल, नहीं. तो हम क्या करेंगे, अगेन वी विल पुट अ पॉइंट, अ डेसिमल. तो डेसिमल लिए तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे 1 0 विल कम, देन 2 5s are 10. ओके, सो हाफ आवर मतलब हाफ आवर को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 0.5. समझ में आया अभी, नाउ इट इज क्लियर. We can write half hour as 0.5 or 0.5. 0.5 or 0.5, all the things are same. So 2.5 hour means 2 hours 30 minutes. 1 hour में 60 minutes होता है. Then in half hour, how many minutes? Half of 60 is 30. Okay, that's why we have written 2 hour 30 minutes. Is it clear now? Okay, lower down your hands, everyone. Yes, Molly.
मैम मुझे पॉइंट वाला समझ नहीं आ रहा.
अगर आपको डिवीजन आगे करना है, क्या क्या होता है डिवीजन में, इसे क्या बोलते हैं पहले.
मैम
एक मिनट मौली, मुझे बताओ, टेल मी व्हाट इज 4 में इसे क्या बोलते हैं, डिविडेंड, डिविजन, क्वोशिएंट, रिमाइंडर.
यस मैम.
क्या व्हाट इज 4 हियर, डिविजन, डिविडेंड,
मैम डिविजन.
डिविजन. 10 इज
डिविडेंड.
डिविडेंड. सो नाउ 4 के टेबल में 10 आता है क्या मौली?
नो मैम.
So we will take closer number to 10. Next closer number is 4 के टेबल में कौन सा आता है, 8. So 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8 we will get 2. अब 2 जो है 2 हमारे पास यहाँ पे बचा है, इट इज स्मॉलर देन द डिविजन, है ना, छोटा है, तो क्या ये डिवाइड होगा क्या? डिवाइड कर पाओगे 2 को? नहीं कर पाएंगे, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल पुट डेसिमल. डेसिमल मींस डेसिमल लगाने से what will happen, we can take 1 0 here. ठीक है, डेसिमल अगर हम लगाएंगे यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में तो we can take 1 0 here. Now 4 5s are 20. Now we left with remainder 0. हमारे पास रिमाइंडर अब कुछ नहीं बचा. अब समझ में आया? मौली?
Yes.
ठीक. So only 2 minutes left. Next question is, guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. So we can also, if we walk fast, we can also travel 4 kilometer or 5 kilometer, not more than that. उससे ज़्यादा हम चल पाएंगे क्या 1 hour में? No. Okay. Next is, fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea, where you only see water, water and nothing else. Fishermen go, they travel in sea, but will we able to, अगर हम जाएंगे तो क्या हम travel कर पाएंगे? No. Fishermen, they have idea about and how they get idea, they feel the wind किस direction में जा रही है, they look at the sun, कि sun किस direction में जा रहा है, all these things they take idea and they move in that direction. ठीक है? There are different types of boats. Okay, just now we saw one boat, that is log boat. Here you can see in the slide, this is the log boat. The second one is called oar boat. Oar boat. ठीक है? This is motor boat. This image is motor boat. Fishermen, few fishermen, they use this boat, motor boat. Why they use motor boat? Because they can travel for a long distance. Log boat अगर वो use करेंगे तो they can travel up to 4 kilometer. But if they use motor boat, they can go far in the sea. This is the long tail boat. You can see here, this is the long tail boat. Why it is called long tail? You can see from the image. उसकी boat कैसे दिख रही है? Like it looks like it has